Welcome back. This is Breakfast at Dawn. Now, I think we should learn a lesson from our sportsmen. Their sense of teamwork, their loyalty to something that is greater than the individual can be inspirational. Together, they are patriotic with the spirit of keeping up the side. Individually, they're each one a hero. At this time, we thought we'd ask someone who dedicated his life to making Pakistan a name in the world of sport. And we also invited him so he could tell us fun stories and behind-the-scenes stuff. Samiullah Khan became known as the Flying Horse because of his great speed as a player of field hockey back in the day when it made sense for it to be the national sport. It was the national sport because of people like him, and he is with us now live in our Karachi studio. Good morning and welcome to Breakfast at Dawn. And happy Independence Day to you.
Yeah, to everyone. You see, we are lucky that we are celebrating 62nd anniversary of Pakistan. And then, as you were talking, sports introduces Pakistan throughout the world. I think since '56, when Pakistan hockey team first time qualified for the final, and in '60 we got gold medal. And afterwards, you see, the era of '70 and '80 was excellent for hockey. And then definitely after that, cricket is the main sports.
That's right.
Who introduces Pakistan throughout the world.
Right. But, do you also agree with how I was just saying that, we should look to sportsmen and get inspiration from there? What is it like to work with a team and, to always have that sense of loyalty, and at the same time you also feel like you're kind of serving your country in your way? So how is that?
Yeah, that's true. You see, hockey and cricket both are team games, and individual can't do anything. Like squash, you are individual, like Jahangir Khan and Jan Sher. In our days, you see, people were dedicated. The manager and the battalion-in-chief, Air Marshal Noor Khan type of people, they were very much dedicated. And the boys, they wanted to play for Pakistan. You see, they don't want to play for themselves like people doing nowadays. And that was the reason when we went to Argentina in 1978. Nobody knows where Pakistan is. And after playing few matches, all South American people came to know that Pakistan is an independent country, and hockey is the best game played there.
That's right.
So I think hockey, cricket and squash, these are the main games in those days.
That's right, that's right. And they still, well, not so much hockey anymore, but more cricket.
Cricket, yeah.
Yeah, but before we continue chatting, our correspondents, as I said, are all over Pakistan to give you updates. And now we have Amjad Hussain, who is outside the Balochistan Assembly. He is in Quetta. Amjad, how is Independence Day being celebrated there?
Well, I mean, like other parts of the country, Independence Day celebrations are also underway in Quetta and other parts of Balochistan. The day dawned with 21 gun salute and special prayers in mosques for the solidarity, stability and prosperity of Pakistan and the nation as a whole. The provincial government has arranged a number of functions and events to celebrate this Independence Day, and different flag hoisting ceremonies have also been arranged in the provincial capital Quetta as well as in the divisional and district headquarters. In the provincial capital, the main flag hoisting ceremony will be held in the provincial assembly, where I am standing right now. After a few minutes, the Chief Minister of Balochistan, Nawab Muhammad Aslam Raisani, will perform the flag hoisting ceremony, and a large number of senators, provincial assembly members, national assembly members are attending this ceremony. Besides this, the Balochistan High Court has also arranged a flag hoisting ceremony where the Chief Justice Qazi Faiz Isa will perform the flag hoisting ceremony. The flag hoisting ceremony will also be held in the Frontier headquarters as well as in the Kesco headquarters and in the Governor House, where Balochistan Governor Nawab Zulfiqar Ali Maksi will perform the flag hoisting ceremony. I would also like to tell you that the provincial government has also organized different programs like national song competition and many other things like this to celebrate this day.
Great.
Yes,
thank you. Thanks so much for that. Amjad Hussain there reporting to us from Quetta. It's nice to see.
Yeah, it's good. I was watching about Sabat and in Quetta and in Lahore and in Karachi. It's good. It's just if we celebrate Independence Day like this, so it inspires youngsters.
Yes.
The people, the boys who are 8, 9 or 10, and then the flag people, they're selling all kind of flag to them.
That's right.
This is good for our youngsters.
Yeah, on the road since yesterday. Oh no, a few days before I've been seeing also.
Almost last 10 days.
Yeah, that they've been putting flags out there. Although, you know, I've heard that in Islamabad there were flags that were missing, but now hopefully there are some Pakistani flags up in Islamabad. We don't know. But okay, so tell me, you know, you were talking about 1954, huh?
Yeah.
So what was it like to represent a country that was so young? There was so little money. You know, it was not exactly an easy time. So what was the motivation behind the game?
In those days, my uncle played for Pakistan in 1954 and 56 Olympic Games. He was telling me that the main thing was jazba and you see dedication to play for Pakistan. And they said that they were not having shoes even. But if you read in books, the people working within Pakistan, they were working like anything. You see, they were they were happy that we got independent country. And believe you me, I visited whole of world, and you must be. When you go out, you see think about Pakistan more and more. The way, the style of life, the people chatting together, fruit, yes, weather, and so many things. So I think we are lucky that we are having independent country, and that is Pakistan.
All right, well, let's take a quick break right here and come back and talk some more in a few moments to Samiullah Khan. Stay with us.